Hey everybody, it's me Stacy here at Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com, and this is our Shine Pretty with Penny Black event for June. Oh my gosh, the month is almost over, but we are ending it with a bang. I have got 3 beautiful collections from Penny Black. Amazing product at value pricing, and it is the latest and greatest from Penny Black. I just love their stuff. It's so pretty. But today I have something a little whimsical too. It's like, ooh, I've got from pretty to super fun and oodles of cuteness. So if you're joining me during our premiere, which is 5 p.m. sunny California time, 7 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern, on Thursday, we are live chatting right now. Please say hello, hello, and we will all say hello, hello back to you. Especially if you're new, come be part of the live chat. I live chat 3 times a week, Mondays and Thursdays, both at 5 p.m. sunny California time, 7 p.m. Central, and 8 p.m. Eastern. And then we have a full-length technique-based class every Saturday morning at 8 a.m. sunny California time, 10 a.m. Central, 11 a.m. Eastern, or 4 p.m. in the United Kingdom. But it's all about Shine Pretty with Penny Black today. And these bundles, I think there's a little something for everybody. And even if perhaps this isn't the event for you, stay for the samples because they are so pretty, and take inspiration from what they have done, what the samples look like. You might find yourself in a creative block, and one of these might just spark your imagination to go, I think I can do that. In fact, I might tweak it just a little bit here and a little bit there. Now, the event starts online when I say ready, set, go at the end of the live chat. That means if you're watching this and you don't see a live chat going on, the event has either already started or perhaps is already over. We keep these videos in a playlist for you under the past Thursday events so that if you do want any of this product, you can refer back to this video at any time. I also want to let you know that unfortunately, and I'm so sorry, I love you, but I'm so sorry, this product is extremely limited. Like, we will not have open stock available for any of this. It will be in the store. We will have a few bundles in the store. If you want to come in the store and pick it up, I would call and order it so we can pull it off the shop floor for you. But there will be no open stock on any of this because we have such limited quantities of everything. So like I said, maybe you just hang for the live chat today. Maybe you hang for the samples today. Regardless, whatever reason you're here, we're just glad you're here. And oh my gosh, don't forget, next Monday starts our warehouse sale. We will be adding new manufacturers every single Monday. It's usually Make It Monday, but for July, we're doing warehouse sale. So if you like dollar deals, holy smokes artichokes, you're going to want to join us on Mondays, 5 p.m. sunny California time, 7 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern, for the entire month of July. All right, I'm going to tilt on down. I'm going to walk you through each one of these products. At the end of this video, I'll say ready, set, go, unless you don't see the live chat, and that means that the sale or the event has already started or is possibly over. When I say ready, set, go, you'll be able to find all of this product online at Scrapbooking Made Simple under the Shine Pretty with Penny Black event. Or it's even easier, if you're on the home page, just scroll down a little bit. The first thing you'll see is the Scrapbooking Made Simple banner at the top with the swoosh. The next thing you'll see is our banners that rotate the different manufacturers. Scroll down a little bit more and you'll see our Make It Monday event. Scroll down a little bit more, and every week that is where the Thursday event is. So you can just click right there and it'll take you right into the category. Easy peasy, mac and cheesy. All right, you guys, I'm going to tilt down. We're going to get started. I'm going to start with bundle number 1. We're calling that Posted. It retails for $87, but your price is $69.99 only at Scrapbooking Made Simple. Wahoo Kachoo. And let's see what's in this bundle, and then I'll show you the samples to go with. It's good to see everybody. I hope you're having an amazing Thursday so far. Down we go. Okay. Zoom on in. And let's see what we've got for you. All right, first bundle, $87 down to $69.99. We're calling it posted. Let's see what's inside. All right, well, this makes sense why we called it posted. You've got the cute little mini postage stamp. Cute little post in the cancellation mark, but it also has the coordinating die to go with. And you will see this in several samples. Really cute. You can even use just the die by itself. It's really darling. Then we've got a floral set, and Penny Black does such beautiful florals. And I want you to pay attention to these two little wonky ones down here because they look so good when they're done. I'm like, what do we do with these? But then when I ruffled through the samples, I said, where did those come from? And then I realized it was from here. So great little die set. Then I've got another stamp and die set for beautiful florals, and then the dies to go with them. So you can stamp or you can stamp and die cut. Totally up to you. And the last thing in this bundle is a new sentiment set. And this one is all about friendships and hugs, sending a big hug so it's there when you need it, sending smiles, may every new chapter be better than your last, smile, happy looks good on you. I can't wait to hug you. Okay, really nice sentiment set. But again, this is only being sold in the bundle. I am so sorry we do not have open stock available this week. Normally we do, and unfortunately the quantities are just so low that the bundle is the only way we can do it. So here's your bundle for $69.99. Let's look at the samples. Okay, sending smiles. Let me bring them over here. Sending smiles. There's the die with all of those kind of angular flowers. And the sending smiles came from the sentiment set. Then I have lots of hugs to my dear friend. And you're like, wait, where did those flowers come from? I didn't see those. Oh, but you did. It's that bottom one right there. Only they did it going this way. Isn't that clever? It's that one right there. So pretty, right? Then I have the little wonky flowers I told you about. First off, we've got the postage die. We have stamped it with the postage stamp. I've got those little wonky flowers. They're darling. Those ones right down there, these are so stinking cute. And she must have a watering pot somewhere that they used to finish the sample off. So stinking cute. And look at this one. It's got the sentiment, it's got the flowers, and again, that flower came right out of that set. It's this one right there. Isn't that just lovely? So soft and so sweet. And it says, sending a big hug so it's there when you need it. I like that one. And then last but not least, we've got the postage. So you've got the postage die, you've got the postage stamp, you've got those wonky flowers. Again, that looks so super cute. So this is bundle number 1. We're calling it posted. It retails for $87 and we have it on sale for $69.99. And there are our samples. All right, bundle number 2. Bundle number 2 is called Thanks, Friend. Well, you're welcome. It retails for $78.60. Your price is $62.99. Let's see what we get for our $62.99. We get a thanks sentiment, a mini sentiment. So thanks for your support, thanks and gratitude, thanks for your generosity, thanks for making my day brighter. Just a really sweet little mini set. But there's a reason why we have this mini set. Then we have Friend, same thing, another little mini set, but there is a reason to have this mini set, and you'll see. I'm glad you're my friend, for my amazing friend. Friend, I'm lucky to have you. You've got a friend in me. Life is better with you, friend. Life is better with you. You are my favorite friend. So just really sweet sentiments. And these can be used on their own, but I want you to see that I have a sample where they've taken a mini set and actually I think they took a stamp from the bundle number 1 and used it. I'm going to show you these in one of the samples. Then we have one of Penny Black's trademarks. Their florals are so pretty and so beautiful. So you get 2 of those in this bundle. They're so pretty. And then we have the Thanks and the Friend die, the word, and the edger set. So smart. So this is going to cut out the word thanks that you can use on anything, anywhere, but it has the edger set that then cuts it out around, giving you a border around that thanks. Super smart, super easy to do, and really fun. This one has got the word friend that you can use just by itself, or it's got that edger die to go with it. So in this bundle, you've got the 2 words with the dies and the edgers. You've got 2 beautiful, beautiful cling sets, and then 2 sentiment sets. And the reason why they did the sentiment sets is because here you've got the word friend. Now you can stamp underneath it any of these. I'm glad you're my friend. For my amazing friend. I'm lucky to have you, friend. It finishes off your sentiment with your die set. And same with the word thanks. You've got the die and the edger for thanks, and now you can have thanks for your friendship, giving thanks, thanks for your support, thanks for your generosity. Oh, and thanks for your generosity, so that you can mix these 2 together to create a finished sentiment. So smart. All right, so I've got all of this in bundle number 2. Let's take a look at some of these samples. Now this is using the friend, where you've got the word friend, and that's its own die cut. That red is its own die cut, and you could use that friend on anything. But here it's got the added element of the edger, right? The added element of the edger, almost creating like a little pocket. Really cute. And then they took smile, happy looks good on you. They took that from the sentiment set in bundle number 1. Darling. And the edge here, this is all done from the postage and out of bundle number 1, but the friend is in bundle number 2. Then I have here thanks used all on its own. And you've got the cling stamps, the beautiful, beautiful cling stamps. Let's see, where did here is it, this one it is. How beautiful. Here it is in the packaging. Here it is in real life. Is that amazing? And again, they've taken thanks for making my day brighter. One of the little sentiments that come in the mini set to finish out the thanks. Then we have the word friend. You're my friend. I wonder if it should go this way. I think it should go that way. It goes this way. And again, that is using that beautiful, beautiful, almost watercolory looking cling stamp. They've used just the word friend, and you've got the sentiment. Maybe it should go this way. You know, I'm not 100% sure which way it was meant to go, but you are my favorite friend. Love it. I'm going to go this way. Love this card. Beautiful colors, right? And easy to do. So these are all out of bundle number 2. Whether you do it this way or you do it this way, somebody's going to tell me which is right. But is there really a right and a wrong? No, it's crafting. So there's our bundle number 2. It is the Thanks Friend bundle, retails for $78.60, and our price is $62.99. Please know that when they are sold out, we will not be able to get more in, at least not for expedited shipping. Our last bundle is called In the Mood. Look at how cute it is. Retails for $38. Your price is $31.99. In the Mood. mood. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so I've got, you are utterly amazing. Look at these guys. They're just darling. And then a few sentiments on the top. Not sure if I can read them. Hi there, moverless. Party till the cows come home. Okay, super cute. Then we've got, I'm in the mood for celebrating with you. They're all mini stamps. There's 4 of them. Count on your blessings. How are you? And then the last one is, heard you were under the weather. Is it under? And and herd is like a herd of cows. And get well soon. Look at how cute is that. So bundle number 3. Bundle number 3 retails for $38. It's on sale for $31.99. It has 4 of her mini stamps in all cows. They're just absolutely darling. Wait till you see the samples. So flippin' cute. Heard you were under the weather. Get well soon. Now, that would put a smile on anybody's face. I'm in the mood for celebrating with you. You are utterly amazing. And last but not least, how are you? So if you like a little bit more of the whimsical and the gonna make you smile, these are definitely up that alley. All 4 designs, they retail for $38. Your price is $31.99, and I love them. So cute. So, Shine Pretty with Penny Black is just that. It is fun, it is easy, it is creative, it gives you oodles of opportunity to play, and you can absolutely scrap lift right off this video, right off this class without question, or visit Penny Black and see what samples they've got on their site as well. The sale will start, I'm stalling because right now while we're live chatting, I'm at my computer turning everything on. Just remember, no open stock, but the qualifying orders will ship expedited, and you just have to read the little terms and conditions in the category, the Shine Pretty with Penny Black category, to make sure you qualify. You can't add anything in from any other category. So I think ready, set, go. I think it's turned on by now, and if it speaks to you and you love it, well, we're glad to be able to bring it to you for a value price. And if you just hung out with us today, I'm glad you did that too. We're so happy that you are here. Every week there's 3 different events, so you just never know which you might be all about the Make It Mondays. And like I said, for July, all of July, our Make It Mondays are warehouse sale. So if you are into dollar items or $20 dies or $20 stamps for $1.99, well, you're going to want to be a part of the Make It Mondays in July without question. Or maybe you are all about the technique. I'm a technique junkie for sure. And that is Saturday mornings, every Saturday morning at 8 a.m. sunny California time, 10 a.m. Central, 11 a.m. Eastern, when we use product that maybe the latest and greatest from one manufacturer, and we pull in product that's been around for years and years and years that you already have in your crafty stash and show you how they work together. All right, you guys, if you love Penny Black, if you want to shine pretty with Penny Black, the event has started. I will see you Saturday morning. Thanks for being here today. Don't forget to subscribe, and I love the cows. I hope hope you did too. All right, you guys, I'll see you Saturday morning. Have a great rest of your day. Bye, everybody.